Where to buy an automatic motorcycle washing machine to avoid wasting money. Things you need to know before investing. Currently, with the increasing demand for motorcycle washes, especially in densely populated residential areas and areas with high pedestrian traffic, the automatic motorcycle wash model is rapidly becoming a business direction that many people are interested in. This is not only because of its convenience and speed, but also because of its ability to optimize operating costs and enhance customer experience. However, along with the opportunities come very practical concerns. Which type of machine is suitable? What is a reasonable investment? And most importantly, where to buy an automatic motorcycle washing machine to ensure stable long-term use and avoid future risks. In reality, many people, when starting to research, tend to compare price between different suppliers. This is a very normal mindset. Everyone wants to optimize initial costs. However, making a decision based solely on price carries significant risk. Many people choose cheap machines only to encounter numerous problems after operation, such as unstable performance, ineffective cleaning, excessive water and electricity consumption, frequent malfunction, or worse, a lack of support staff in case of breakdown. These simply minor issues directly impact daily business operation. Just a few malfunctions during peak hour, resulting in long wait or a poor customer experience, significantly reduce the likelihood of repeat business. And once customers leave, the cost of attracting new customers is far higher than retaining existing ones. It is crucial to recognize that a motorbike wash machine is not simply a piece of equipment. It is the heart of the entire business model. Making the right choice from the start will ensure smooth and stable business operation. Conversely, choosing the wrong option will cost you a lot more time, money, and effort to fix, or even require completely replacement. Furthermore, customer behavior has changed significantly. While previously, cheapness were the top priority, customers now care more about the overall experience. Fast, clean, and convenient. A bike wash, even if it's cheaper by a few dollars, will struggle to retain customers if it requires long waits. They're not cleaned thoroughly or has a disorganized process. Conversely, a place with a clear process, fast service, and consistent cleanliness will attract repeat customers, even if slightly more expensive. This is precisely why automatic motorcycle wash models are becoming increasingly popular. With a time frame of only about 4 to 5 minutes per vehicle, the process is almost completely optimized, reducing reliance on manual labor and allow the staff to serve more customers within the same time frame. This will not only have increased revenue, but also create a professional image in the eyes of the customers. Therefore, when asking where to buy an automatic motorcycle washing machine, the important thing you need to consider is not just the price, but the overall value that the supplier provides. A reputable supplier will not simply sell the machine and then be done with it, but will accompany you from the start to finish. From advertising on a model suitable for your premises, area, and customer base, to installation, operation instruction, and technical support throughout the entire user experience. In addition, a very important but often overlooked factor is the practical experience before deciding to invest. Directly seeing the machine in operation, observing the washing process, processing speed, and real customer feedback will give you a much clearer and more realistic view than just listening to advice or looking at pictures and videos. Investing in a motorbike washing machine is a significant decision, especially for those just starting out in business. Doing it right from the start will save you a lot of future costs and creates a solid foundation for long-term growth. Conversely, a hasty or uniform choice can lead to much higher repair and replacement costs later than the initial saving. Therefore, instead of just looking for the cheapest option, you should take the time to thoroughly research and choose a company with practical experience, clear support policy, and most importantly, one you allow you to test the equipment before investing. Once you understand the model and operation, you will be more confident in your decision. Hopefully, the above information will give you a clear perspective before investing, helping you avoid unnecessary mistakes and choose a model that suits your specific circumstance. If you are still hesitant, the best way is to experience it firsthand. Seeing and understanding how it works firsthand makes decisions, making much easier and more accurate. Goodbye and see you in the next video.